Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to LFX channel where I share my Forex trading ideas and analysis. Hope y'all doing fantastic. Hope y'all staying safe, and I hope y'all had an amazing trading week. As you already know, today's video is next week's forecast slash last week's recap. By the end of this video, if you guys like my content, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to join my free Telegram channel for updates and free signals by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Well, we were expecting DXY last week to face rejections at this level here, but apparently it ended up breaking under the support, and now this became a resistance area. So we can all agree that DXY may keep on this bearish move for next week. In this case, the next target should be down here at the 89.907. Alright, as usual, we are going to start with the Euro US dollar. Alright, as predicted from last week's forecast, we said we wanted to see it break above this major resistance. It actually did and provided a nice buying opportunity by coming back and retesting the same level before going bullish, as you can see here. I hope you guys caught this trade over here. I personally have not, as I think it happened early, as maybe when the market just opened, maybe during the London session on Monday. Well, now that DXY is on a bearish move, I'm expecting another break and retest over at this level here. So I will advise to watch the hourly or 4 hours time frame to catch an opportunity for a long position on this pair. Alright, let's move to the pound US dollar. Okay, let's switch to the 4 hours chart like usual. Bear with me here. Alright, let's make it clean and clear. Okay, there we go. Alright, so our trade last week went very well. As you guys can see, we ended up with over 90 pips profit. Obviously, it kept on a long bullish move with these huge momentums and spikes. We didn't get any real chance to enter a second trade, as this pair didn't come back to revisit this level after breaking above it. Now, it looks like we might get an entry here, seeing that the US dollar is probably losing strength next week based on its index. But keep in mind, unless we see solid and strong rejections over here, we might want to wait a little bit longer, especially when the market just opens. I usually don't trade on Sundays nor on Monday mornings. So as we all know, the market tries to settle down and decide its trajectory during that time. So by Monday night, if this market is still facing rejections here, then we might have an entry. Again, stay tuned, as I'm definitely going to update you guys on my Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined yet, it's maybe time for you to do so. It's free of charge, and I post daily and weekly updates and my personal trading ideas. Alright, let's move to the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, so I called this guy on the Telegram channel. I even say that we want to wait for a double bottom to be formed, and here we got it. This might still face another rejection as the market, opens up on Sunday before we go ahead and take a long position. If this was on a weekday, I wouldn't wait a second to take this trade. We have basically 3 rejections here. We got this 2 hammer candles, a doji, and another long wicked candle. And DXY should be bearish. As I said, if this was on a weekday, I wouldn't have taken this trade without any hesitation. I'm sorry, I would have taken this trade without any hesitation. Alright, let's go to the Euro, Japanese yen. Alright, as mentioned during last forecast, this pair is on a consolidation, so anytime it reaches the support, we have a trade. And yes, we did enter a trade after seeing this first rejection here. I called it on the Telegram group as well. We are already in profit with over 40 pips now. The plan here is to take partial profit once this reaches the resistance level and move the stop loss to break even. As it is not clear yet whether this pair wants to break the resistance and keep on this uptrend or still wants to stay in consolidation at this moment. So we will know once it reaches this resistance level here. Again, stay tuned on the Telegram channel for my updates. Alright, let's finish this video with the Aussie US dollar. Okay, so finally this trade hit our target last week, giving us 150 pips profit. Now, as I highlighted last week, we want to see a break and retest scenario to happen right over this resistance area. We are still looking for that to happen, as the Aussie has been very strong compared to the US dollar for the last few months. So, let's just watch if the market plays on our favor or as expected for the next week. Well, that was it for today's forecast video. Not a lot this week, but stay tuned on the Telegram channel if anything shows up or anything changed throughout the week. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you find any value in my content, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.